Welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me for a while, you've probably seen some of my decluttering tip videos. Today, we're still on the topic of decluttering, but with a fresh perspective. I'm sharing 6 methods to make decluttering faster, easier, and more efficient. If you're like me, you've likely had moments of decluttering without a plan, just tossing things out in frustration. While that can bring temporary relief, it's not a sustainable solution. So today, I want to share some methods that have helped me keep my space tidy long-term. And I think they can help you too. Whether you only have a few minutes each day or want to get your chores done in the shortest time possible, these quick tips will help you keep your space tidy without too much effort. Let's get started. Number 1. The KonMari method is a decluttering and organization system developed by Marie Kondo, a renowned tidying expert. This method is introduced in her book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. The KonMari method focuses on organizing your living space in a way that helps you keep only the items that spark joy and remove the ones that no longer serve a purpose. Here are the main steps of the method. 1. Organize by category, not by room. Instead of decluttering room by room, you focus on one category of items at a time. For example, you start with clothes, then move on to books, papers, miscellaneous items, and finally, sentimental items. This approach allows you to evaluate all items of the same type together and decide which ones are truly necessary. 2. Follow the recommended order. Marie Kondo recommends following a specific order for decluttering. Clothes. Begin with clothing items, starting from basic clothing like shirts and pants to accessories like scarves. Books. Next, address your books, keeping only those you still read or cherish. Papers. Then, handle papers and documents, retaining only those that are essential. Miscellaneous items. Afterward, organize miscellaneous items such as kitchenware and electronics. Sentimental items. Finally, tackle sentimental items, which are often the hardest to part with. 3. Discard before organizing. Before you start organizing, Marie Kondo advises you to remove items that you no longer need. This step is crucial for reducing clutter and ensuring that you only keep the items that truly bring joy to your life. Next up is the Core 4 method, a strategy endorsed by professional organizer Ken Kelly. True to its name, this method consists of 4 key steps: clear out, categorize, cut out, and contain. 1. Clear out. Start by completely emptying the space you're working on. 2. Categorize. Next, sort the items into distinct categories. 3. Cut out. As you categorize, simultaneously identify and discard items that are no longer needed. This combined approach helps streamline the process, ensuring you don't hold on to unnecessary items. 4. Contain. Finally, organize the remaining items into suitable containers to keep everything tidy and accessible. The Core 4 method highlights the importance of not just sorting, but also removing unneeded items before you organize what remains. Number 3. The No Mess Decluttering Method by Dana K. White is perfect for those who easily get overwhelmed by the clutter. You might start with the best intentions, only to find yourself buried in a bigger mess and then interrupted before you can finish. This often leads to shoving everything back where it was, leaving you feeling like no progress was made. What a waste of time. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Dana suggests a different approach to decluttering. Rather than clearing everything out of a space, like the traditional method advocates, she recommends choosing a small space to focus on. As you look through the items, you deal with them immediately. You're not emptying shelves or making huge piles. Instead, you take things out one at a time and decide, this needs to go in the declutter box, and you toss it in. This needs to go in the trash, and it goes in the trash right then. This goes in my kid's bedroom, and you take it there right away, put it away, and then come back. Though it might seem less efficient at first, this method is a game changer if you're tired of the chaos that usually comes with decluttering. It allows you to tidy up in small, manageable chunks without leaving a mess behind. And if you're interrupted, no worries. You can pick up right where you left off without any daunting piles to deal with later. The 2010 method is a smart and efficient cleaning strategy designed to help you maintain energy and motivation throughout the process. Instead of trying to tackle all the cleaning in one go, this method encourages you to break down your work into 20-minute intervals, followed by a 10-minute break to relax or do something you enjoy. This approach not only reduces pressure, but also helps prevent burnout, which often occurs when faced with a large workload. The short but regular breaks allow you to recharge and return to your tasks with a refreshed mindset, ultimately enhancing your overall productivity and efficiency. 5. The 5 mini missions method is a flexible and effective approach for those who want to keep their home tidy without spending a lot of time cleaning in one go. The core principle of this method is to complete 5 small tasks, mini missions, each day, each taking only 5 to 10 minutes. These tasks can include tidying up a messy drawer, wiping down a small area in the kitchen, or removing unnecessary items from the bathroom. By breaking down the work into smaller tasks, you can easily maintain cleanliness and organization without feeling overwhelmed. Over time, these small tasks add up, and within just a few days, you'll notice a significant difference in your living space. This method is especially useful for busy individuals or those who get easily distracted, as it allows you to accomplish small things without dedicating an entire day to cleaning. By incorporating these mini missions into your daily routine, you can sustainably keep your home tidy and clean, turning the chore of cleaning into a manageable and effective habit. And 6. The 30-day decluttering method is an effective approach to organizing your home without feeling overwhelmed. Instead of trying to declutter the entire house at once, this method breaks the task into daily assignments throughout the month. Each day, you focus on a small task or a specific area of your home. For example, on day 1, you might clean out your wardrobe. On the following day, you could tackle the bookshelf and continue like this until you've covered the entire house in 30 days. This approach helps reduce feelings of overwhelm and makes it easier to maintain a decluttering routine, as each task is smaller and more manageable. Instead of feeling pressured to do everything at once, you'll experience success through each small step, leading to a well-organized and tidy home. Clutter can feel like an overwhelming burden, and it doesn't matter which method you use to eliminate it. What matters is that you're making progress. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comments about the decluttering methods you've tried, or if there's a method from the video you'd like to try. To see more content like this, click here, and I'll see you in the next video.